So ito yung problema mga boards, pumutok yung fuse. So wala mabili na 40 amps. So nilagyan namin ng 50. So, they don't have 40 amperes. And that's why I buy 50.
Oh, okay.
Just a little bit
It'll be fine.
interest. Honda Civic. This one is City.
City.
Year model 1998.
Maybe.
But good.
Yes.
There's a leaking with the radiator.
We have this for a long time. It's leaking, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See the coolant is coming out.
Yeah.
How long in your this one?
Long time.
Long time, eh?
Yeah.
16 bal. So, ito yung problema kaya pumutok yung fuse, sumaya dun sa may ano dito. Sa may starter, sa may positive. Can you try? Start. So, yan ang customer natin si Sir. Battery. Okay. So kayo na, walang start. So ngayon, okay na. Pumutok yung fuse dahil dito. Okay, thank you.